Good morning to the teacher, and this is Group 2. I am going to talk about the semester project, which is a prototype of the U attendance. So, as you can see now, this is what the U attendance screen looks like. This is the login screen. You can choose which one you are, student, teacher. So, I'm going to choose a student for now. We can enter the email address, but if you don't have an email address, you can click here and then you can enter a full name, email, password, and confirm your password like normal, like any other sign up. It will redirect you to the login page, and then you can put in your initials and everything, and then you log in, and then you can go find your units. So these are the units you'll be taking or you have decided to take for the semester. Once you press inside, you'll see a brief description about the units and the schedules that you'll be having for the units. So you can customize this actually. So you can go here and then you can turn off, like let's say you want AOT programming to be unfavorited, so it won't be in your edit units. So just press that and you can go back and then it won't be there anymore. Another thing you can do is you can go register into a unit. So once you sign up for your course using another app, you can just come here and then register for your units. So how to register for your units is, let's say you want object-oriented programming, just press it, select the class slot, and register to this one. You can view the timetable directly from here. But once you've done that, you can see this green check mark over here telling you that you have successfully chosen the subject. You can change the slot again if you want, but yeah, and then you can confirm register and then view timetable. Finally, you can see it on here. So yeah, and then next up we have the attendance. You can scan the QR code. So once you scanned it, you'll see this, and then once you press it, it'll go back to the main page. And another thing you can do is view your attendance. So once you press it, you can see your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Fridays. Like if you missed a class or you didn't miss a class, then it will tell you here. So yeah, continuing, going to health. So health, you can do two things here. You can fill up your health declaration form, which we'll get into later, or you can upload your test results for your COVID-19 test kit. So you can just go to your gallery, choose the photo you want, enter if it's positive or negative. So CT is negative, so confirm, and then it will redirect you to the dashboard. And then now we go into the health declaration form, where you can enter your student ID, your name, email, and course. So once you've done this, go down and then you can choose which one. I have a single dose, Pfizer, and I am showing symptoms. It will put you back to the dashboard, and all of these information will be sent to the teacher, which we will get into later on. And then we have the booking consultation. Here you can search for a tutor. Let's say you choose Dr. Jonathan, then you press this and then you come in. Let's say you want to go on a Tuesday at 9 a.m. for 30 minutes. Then once all of this is done, just press book and the consultation will be booked. Finally, it will be the timetable. As you've seen just now, is all of this. You can just press it and it goes back. There's a to-do list as well, which we have put in, where you can check off some of the stuff once you finished it. And an inbox where the students can message the teachers, just like so. This is a notification, so that any notification from the teachers will be sent here and the students can see it easily. I'm going to go to the settings. So you can change your username or password, and then after that, that's all. You can log out. Okay, so now we're going to do the lecturer part. And once you press in lecturer, the lecturer will be given their own Gmail email account and password already without needing to sign up, so they can just log in. So log in, and then first thing you'll see is create an announcements page, and then once you're inside, just select the units you want to go, and then go press the headings, press the body. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do, and we just send it out. So this will be sent to all the students in whatever the teacher is teaching, the students will get. And then after that, you can see the COVID test. So once a student has given a positive result, it will turn out here. And once you turn out here, the teacher can press it inside and see what program or units the student is taking, and what's the name and age of the student as well. So then after that, we can go to attendance. Once you go into attendance, you can choose which unit you want. So let's say the object-oriented programming, and we can go to lectures, and then we choose a lecture. Let's choose the first week, and we download it, and this will download the attendance, which will make the teacher's life easier, and she doesn't have to do all the work on Excel. So once this is done, the lecturer can go over here to unit allocation. Let's say the lecturer gets a new unit this sem. So let's say it's network and switching. So she just presses it, and then she can go into network and switching and change anything she needs to change in here, like the schedule and time. So once it's changed, just go out, and then classes. So in this, the teacher can change the classes, like how many classes there are, how many lab groups there are, and so you can change the size. So let's say you want 60 in this class. So this is just editing a class. You can also add a new class. So let's say you need a lecture group for 56 people. Put in a time and create it. So it will be created right here. Look. Yeah. So next up will be the posted announcements. So in this, the teacher can see what she has posted throughout the entire sem. All the announcements she has said, all the announcement she has written will be seen here. And the teacher can also search for the announcements. So after that, you can generate a QR code. This QR code generator is mostly for attendance. So let's say you want object-oriented programming as your class. You're going for a lab class, and this is group 1. So you generate the code. You can download the code, or you can project the code onto a projector, which will make it easier for the students to scan. Next up is manage consultations. You can go and accept the consultation from Zaris Ronan, and then you'll be like, okay, I have time on a day, so I'll just accept consultation, and consultation will be accepted. Once this is done, you can go towards your to-do list, and you can find, let's say you've marked all the papers, so you just tick it and it will be gone. So yeah. Finally, you have the inbox. You can go see what your students have been talking to you, and if you have talked to the students, you can see here. Okay. Yeah, after that, this is the notification bar where all the students attempts or any email will be seen here, so the teacher will know. Yeah. And then you go to the settings, you can go to account, you can change the username, change the password, and then you can log out. That is mostly it for the lecture part. Yeah, thank you. That is all.